Yallah.
Today's recipe is going to delight you. It's chicken shawarma. Shawarma is a typical, very traditional dish in the Middle East, where you can find it in Jordan, in Palestine. And it's something very common, like hamburgers are here. So,
Yallah.
we start by making Arabic bread or pita bread. We add wheat flour, granulated sugar, fine salt, and pure vegetable oil into the mixing bowl. We're going to add yeast, but first a bit of warm water and sugar, and let it sit for 15 minutes. We incorporate the yeast and mix it all together. Slowly add in some warm water and continue to knead the mixture thoroughly until the dough becomes completely smooth and feels very soft to your touch. Let it rest for 15 to 20 minutes until you see it has risen. Now you can start making the bread. We're going to portion out the dough however you like. However, I usually make it about 15 centimeters in diameter, approximately. For the chicken shawarma, what we're going to do is get chicken thighs or chicken breast. Finely chop the garlic. Add this to the chicken marinade. Shawarma. We're going to add paprika, ginger, pepper, and salt along with some lemon juice. And if you can get unsweetened yogurt, you'll see the special flavor it gives the chicken. Shawarma. I'm going to prepare the bread in a wood-fired oven. You can make it in an oven or in a very hot pan. Either way will work just fine. For the salad, carefully slice up the red onion into very thin strips. Finely dice the tomato and toss in some fresh flat leaf parsley. Or if you prefer, you can also use curly parsley instead. Add a bit of mint to give the salad a sense of freshness, or you can use spearmint as well. Olive oil and sumac, which is a Lebanese Arab spice. If you don't have it, that's okay. A little salt and we mix it all together. After the chicken has finished marinating, shawarma, you can't imagine. The smell I'm experiencing right now is just delicious. But I'm going to give you a tip, a very special secret for chicken shawarma. Get a piece of charcoal, heat it up well, place it on some aluminum foil, add a bit of oil to the charcoal and cover it. You'll notice that smoky grilled flavor the chicken will have. Of course, you can't have shawarma without the Arabic garlic sauce, which I'll show you how to make in the next video. The fresh salad, the chicken, shawarma, we wrap it all in pita bread and toast it in the pan. Alright, we finished the shawarma here. Delicious. Look at how perfectly toasted it should be. In this delicious dish, the salad, the chicken, the smokiness, the garlic sauce, I highly recommend it.